What's up? What's hood? PM gang, man. Just called Foot Locker, man. I probably could have been got these. I could have got a lot of shoes today. I was just being real lazy, just unsneakerhead like. But hopefully I can shoot to them all real quick. Just call House of Hoops. They still have a 9.5 in this shoe. This is like one of the ones from this pack that I really wanted. So hopefully I can hurry up and get here, get this shoe, and get the shirt to go with the shoe, and come back and give y'all this review real quick, man. It's an all-white party going on today. I gotta inbox some people, see where it's gonna be at. I may or may not go. And it's my sister's birthday today, so happy birthday to my sister, August 11th. So yeah, man, it's a lot of stuff possibly going on today, but you gotta get these shoes first, man. See y'all in a little bit. Gang. Just made it to the fucking mall, man. People drive so fucking stupid nowadays. It don't make no sense. Anyways, man, hopefully House of Hoops still got them. Shit. And leaving the mall, Fashion Geek t-shirt on. Y'all already know they tried to play me at Foot Locker low key though. They be saving shit for their friends. I swear. They tried to play me at Foot Locker. Somebody said they have a 9.5 in the fucking shoe. And then when I told his ass I ain't want no other shoe, he went to the back and got the shoe for me. They ass be playing, man, but you already know. Secured that bag, man. I see y'all in the fucking shoe room, man. What's hood, everybody on YouTube, man? It's your boy PM Kicks, man. I am back with another sneaker pickup. Had to go get these, man. Oh, man. Now, look, though. Let me tell y'all what happened at House of Hoops. So, I goes to House of Hoops. I calls the lady before I go up there. I called her. She said, yeah, man, I asked them, do they got a 10 in the Kyrie Irvings? And she said, no, we got a 9.5. I said, okay, cool. Hangs up the phone, get dressed, drives there. So I go there. She tells the dude, go get a 9.5, get the 9.5 out. He comes back, say, oh, man, we don't got the 9.5 in there, but we got a 9.5 in these cinnamon toast crunch. I said, nah, man, I don't want the cinnamon toast crunch. I wanted those Lucky Charms, man. He like, man, these cinnamon, I think these better, trying to like, pitch the sale to me, which is cool, okay? That's your job. I'm like, I look at them, nah, man, they ain't giving me the same vibes as them Lucky Charms. So I'm getting up. As I'm getting up, he like, all right, man, just hold on real quick, man. Let me go look again. Goes to the back, comes right out with the Lucky Charms. Comes right out with the Lucky Charm. So I'm like, he had to have been holding these for a friend, for an employee that was getting off work or that was coming up there or something. He was holding them off. He had to. There's no way you went back there, actually looked and didn't find her. So I'm like, oh, okay, that's what's up, man. Thanks for looking for me. Woo. He, all right, man, I'll put them up there for you. Damn, you petty as hell. But before we get into the video, man, make sure you hit that thumbs up button if you like the content. Share the video. friends, family, gang members. Hit that notification bell so you won't miss another video, still review, sneaker pickup, whatever I do. And subscribe to join the Playmaker gang, man. Y'all already know what shoe I picked up, so let's get straight into it. And before we get into the shoe, man, let me go on here and show y'all the shirt. Extra, woo! That shirt saucing on you. Woo! With the Sham God, boy, y'all don't know nothing about basketball, man. That boy Sham God it real quick. You have the Lucky Charms, got Nike basketball. Woo! Nike basketball with that swoosh on the side. Kyrie Irving symbol. And I think this is like the cereal symbol right there. I think I'm not sure. He has Kyrie logo on his hat as well. This shirt, just the whole concept. Kyrie number on the scarf. Number 11 on the scarf. The whole shirt, the whole concept of it. And it's a dry fit. Come on, man. Come on. With the come on. But, man, let's get into this sneaker pickup. You already know. Kyrie box. Except for the Black History Month, which I got on right now. You know, it came in all black BHM on the box. But we ain't talking about that right now. Kyrie Irving. Swoosh on that side. Kyrie 4's Lucky Charms. Colorway on this is bright crimson multicolor. You have Kyrie's signature right there as well. Bling blah burr on the box. As you didn't know, it's Kyrie's symbol right there. And all that shit. I know I'm talking too much, man. Bling blah burr on the shoes, man. These is dope. These is dope, man. I had to get these. Second Kyrie's in my collection. Let me get y'all that full 360 view. Hold up. Let me get y'all that full 360 view. All the way around. Bottom of them joints, y'all see the 4-leaf clover right there, the star, which are some of the charms. And let's get into this shoe, man. Woo. Toe box, you have the standard mesh, or I don't know if this battle knit. No, this not battle knit. This is just like some nice mesh. Rubber right here. Rubber on the toe box as well. Shoelaces. Oh, the whole shoe is crimson. The bright crimson colorway. And the multi comes, of course, with the bottom. Man, this not mesh. I don't even know. This is like a nylon material. This is the mesh on the tongue. All the way until the Kyrie on the tongue. It's in that like metallic gold. Going to the side panel, you have like that holographic. As you move, it changes colors. This is also where that multi comes in at. And one of the dopest parts of the shoe is the side panel. You have a nice, this is a very, very nice suede they put on this shoe. There's some nice suede they put on this shoe. They really put their time into this one. That's the one. Yes. But you can see, as you can see, they have the Lucky Charms on the shoe. The patterns of all the Lucky Charms you can find inside of the cereal is actually on this side panel on the shoe, which is the dopest part of the shoe for real. Midsole Of course, the outsoles of the Kyrie's overlaps into onto the shoe, into the midsole. So you have a little bit of the outsole coming right there for a little bit of color contrast. Midsole is this multicolor crimson, bright crimson colorway. You have a little bit of gum right there. That gum bottom popping out right there. I want to say this is the cereal logo, if I'm not mistaken. On the back of the heel right here. Nice carbon plate right there for your locked in, locked and loaded. Stuff right here, got a little ankle movement, but right here, locked and loaded. Similar right there. On the back of the other one, you have like an Illuminati type symbol going on right here. No, I'm just playing, but I'm guessing this like the defense they run, maybe the triangle. I'm not sure where they was going with that, but it looked kind of suspect. Illuminati. And on the tongue of this shoe, you have Lucky Charms. On the tongue of this shoe, you have Lucky Charms. Dope, man. They really put their time into this. On the inside, you have a bowl of Lucky Charms on the inside. You can see the cereal. Hold on, let me take this insole out. Take this insole out for y'all, so y'all can see. You have a bowl of Lucky Charms in the inside of your shoe. Signature right there as well. This is dope, man. They really snapped with this one. Also, like I was saying, you have like the hints. Like these are just not like splattered paints. These are actually the Lucky Charms right here. This is a 4-leaf clover. I want to say this is the heart. This is a star. This is a star. Yes, these are not just splattered paints. This is like that rainbow. The rainbow symbol right here. That's what this is. This is like the blue moon symbol. You know, I kind of got to look at this to get all of them right. This is like the horseshoe. And then the inside, that number 11, Kyrie's number. You also have a bright crimson going through the outsole, gum. If it wasn't for these splatters of Lucky Charm symbols, this would be an all gum outsole. In the inside of this, I don't know if you all can read that or not, but in the inside of that, it said, "Fear is not real." Fear is not real right here. On the inside of that, it says, "Fear is not real." It's all in the mind. It's a state of mind. Fear is not real. And that is true. But yeah, man, these are my pickups for the weekend. I struck out on the Travis Scotts, and I honestly believed if I would have like really sweated and tried to get those, I could have got those with ease. But you know, it's all my fault that I didn't get those, you know. But you know, it is what it is, man. Maybe it wasn't meant. Hey, and don't forget, man, gang, hit that notification bell so you won't miss another video, still review, sneaker pickup, whatever I do. And subscribe to join the Playmaker gang. And we out this jam, man.
See these Benjamins, you will never ever see your bitch again. Bad hoe from the valley, we just flew to Miami. She a trophy, she a Grammy, but she can never meet the family. I got a plug in Miami, but I'ma re-up out in Michigan. Fuck, we just sitting the Benjamins, then he wrap them up and he ship them in. Party like a pep rally, everybody getting lit again. Everybody off the shits again. He told y'all we was meant to win.
Niggas hate to see the team winning, cause they starving like a